Please, please. I feel so embarrassed. I don't know why, but it happens to the best of us. It happens majority of the time to most of us. Because no one's perfect. And I know life can get crazy sometimes. Sometimes we're just tired and don't want to do it. Hello, it's Tamon. I'm back with another video. I'm gonna be doing something different, today. I always do something different majority of my time, but this was really needed. And I always did want to do a video like this, but I'm gonna be attempting to clean my bedroom. It is 5:55 p.m. and Happy New Year's to everyone, because today is officially January 1st, 2022. Oh my goodness. Just me saying that out loud, I'm like, oh my gosh, we in 2022 right now. That's so crazy. Life is just like flying by. It's almost 6 p.m. and I need to get this done. And I know this is gonna take a few hours because it's hectic right now. Before you get on me, before you get on my case, holiday season was up, winter break was up. I was just in chill mode. But now I gotta get my grind back on. I gotta, start cleaning and being more disciplined with everything. What's better than cleaning on New Year's? It's a snowstorm outside right now. It looks crazy out there. I might as well get it done now before work starts, because literally work starts in one day for me and I'm not gonna be able to clean it again. But I'm gonna have to keep it up. Me making this video is gonna motivate me to clean it. I just want to bring you guys along with me, so don't get started. I'm usually clean. I've been everywhere. Just wanted to relax and just sit down. I have been in the house majority of all my days, unless I absolutely have to go out, like for church or something like that. But I'm not even gonna lie, I've just been procrastinating this whole entire week because this is my only week off. But yeah, I'm not ready to get started. I'm like looking at this and I'm so overwhelmed right now, and I want this to be done, like done today. If I don't get any sleep tonight, I'm just gonna have to get up early tomorrow and not get any sleep. But this needs to be done today because I have no other days to do it. So with that being said, let's just get straight into the video. So this is my room. Please. I did make the bed up because I watched a few clean my room videos on YouTube, and it said if you fix your bed, you'll be more motivated to clean the rest of your room. Obviously, it did not work, but I'm happy that's one less thing I don't have to do. I just have majority, like a whole bunch of clothes everywhere, and I need to just fold these clothes up, put them in bins, or put them up somewhere, and probably sell some clothes because I have too much. But yes, this is what it looks like. So I'm about to get started, and I'm gonna start off with this corner. There's another tip that I heard from a cleaning video, is time yourself. So I'm gonna put 10 minutes on and see how long I can do this section for. Then I'm gonna move to the next section. So let's get started. Okay, so that's what this corner looking like now. Now we gotta get the rest of this. Stuff is back onto my bed, as you can see, but I'm gonna get into it. I also got some help. James came over to help me. He's gonna help me tackle these clothes and fold them up, because honestly I was just like, I just can't today. But I'm gonna get it done. We're gonna get it. I appreciate you. We're gonna get it. All right, y'all. So y'all, I could not finish everything that I needed to finish, but it looks pretty good for now, and I'm okay with it. I can function better, and it just looks better and neat. This took too long for me. It's 2:28, almost 2:30 a.m. in the morning, and I'm super sleepy. So I said, I just need to speed things up. I can't really deep clean everything and put everything and organize everything. That's gonna have to be another video. But I did, pick up everything off the floor, fold everything up, and try my best to put everything away. Let's see how it turned out, because it's a lot of hard work and dedication. So this is how it looks. Put all my mask up there and everything. I try organizing that as best as I can. My shoes, all of them can fit on there. There's boxes full of stuff. Suitcases really can't go anywhere. Another box of folded clothes that was off the floor. All my books, where I listen to music. And yeah. This is the overall thing right here. So I know I look crazy because I'm tired. I do have my window open because it's super hot in here. Because the heat is like on blast, and I'm turning it down, but it's not turning down. And it's freezing outside. It's still a snowstorm out there. That's another reason why my hair look crazy, because I went out to get the snow off my car, but it's all back on there. All over again. I thought it would make it easier, but I just checked again. I was like, it's all back on there. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please give me a like, please, and comment down below. Also, subscribe. I'm trying to be as authentic as possible. I am very authentic. Just try to show y'all the real me. I try to do whatever I can because I absolutely love making videos. Y'all see, look, I let my sleep go for you guys because, I care. Thank you so much for watching. I hope it motivates you guys to clean your room. Now, I have to clean my whole entire apartment, but that's another story. But hopefully this motivated you to just straighten up so things can look good. It's a new year. You want to feel rejuvenated when you wake up. All right, guys. See you in my next video. Love you. Bye.